All right, guys, let's talk about alt text. So alt text is a brief description that's added to an image in the HTML code of a website. Put very simply, when you're on WordPress, if you click on an image, you're going to see this setting over here, alternative text. We basically just add the description of that image. Why do we do that? So what's the main purpose? Number one, it helps with accessibility. So it helps visually impaired users that access your website understand the content of an image. They use alt text to understand those images since they can't see those images. Same thing goes for search engines. Search engines can't see images in the same way that we can, and so they use alt text to understand our whole website a lot better. Now, is it something that's going to make or break your SEO? No, right? If you have terrible content, if you don't have backlinks, if you haven't focused on all the other very important things, having perfectly set up alt text won't really change much in terms of your SEO. But if you're absolutely perfect on everything else and you want to finalize all little details, make sure you're 100% on everything with your SEO, then it is a nice thing to have. And it does help Google understand your website a little bit better. So what are the best practices? Number one, just describe the image. Back in the days, people used to keyword stuff, alt text all the time. There's no real need to do that again because it won't move the needle. It's not really necessary. And if you just describe the image and you're using an image that's relevant to your article, to your blog post, whatever it is, then you will naturally add those relevant keywords. Now, here's an example. Actually, I just showed you guys there how to do that on WordPress. There's going to be different settings for different CMSs. And here's how to find your competitors' alt text. If you're ever interested on how your competitors are setting up their alt text, all you have to do is click on the image and inspect. And here we lost the image here. But what we have to do is we basically have to zoom in here. Let me zoom in for you guys. Hopefully you guys can see this well. And just find wherever it says alt. So here it is. Here's the alt of the image, built with science homepage. And that is exactly what this image is. So they're talking about the Built with Science website, and that's just the homepage. So again, very brief description of what that image is, and that's basically it, guys. That's alt text. If you guys are looking for an all-in-one SEO tool for $25 a month with Clicks.so, I actually have it open here. We can find those images for you when you run a site audit. Here's the error. It has found a bunch of pages, 34 URLs actually, that don't have image alt text. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one.